The world is like an amusement park that never closes. In it, we search for things of all kinds, new and strange. In it, we experience feelings of all types, happy or sad. Each one of us is unique, and so is the way we experience happiness. Happiness, precisely speaking, differs from person to person. We are exploring the world with constant questions. So in the journey, we struggle. We rejoice, we grieve, we cry happy tears, we step together and we stick together. When we take our very first step, the world has opened its arms to embrace us. For you, we create a faster and smoother sensory experience. What makes it even better is, you will see the whole new world through a new camera. By accident, you enter into a different world. The different melodies you hear may turn into a pleasant concerto, or a violent piece that lacks harmony. To experience the world in different ways. This contingency may be something that we've been looking for. We can also feel that people in different places at different times have the same wonderful vision of this world. As we always believe, all the goods are worth recording. DDPAI Mini3. See different.